corrections for 2C and D. What I'm looking for here for C is, I think looking inside is the best option. So I'm trying to figure out what number times itself 3 times equals 64. If you need to know how to do this on your calculator, we can show you how to do this on your calculator. But what we're essentially looking for is the cube root of 64, which is 4. Now, cube roots, there is no double option like square roots. It's just positive or negative because there's 3 of them. So because it's a positive 64, it has to be 4. So I'm just going to do 2x plus 6 equals 4 from looking inside, rewriting type of a deal. And then I'm going to solve that by subtracting 6. 2x equals negative 2. Divide by 2. And x equals negative 1. So for C, I'm looking for the number that cubed is 64, that's 4, and I set 2x plus 6 equal to 4. That's all I really need to do for that one. For D, a lot of us are still forgetting that when we multiply by 10, which was a good choice, many of you did that, you're forgetting to multiply the other side of the equation by 10 as well. So I get 10x over 10 plus 20 over 5 equals 10. So that 10 has to multiply the 1 as well. As I reduce, I get x plus 4 is 10 minus 4 from both sides. Getting a little ahead of myself there. X equals 6. So for letter D, don't forget, if you multiply one side by something, you have to do it to the other side as well. A lot of you are doing this part correctly, but we forgot to multiply the other side also.